Hey, what's up? Welcome back. In this episode, you're going to learn all about the Annotate gem and how we can use it to make our models much more easy to comprehend when we're looking at the model class. The Annotate gem is a very helpful gem for having when you're working with Ruby on Rails. And if I'm looking at my account model right now, I can't actually tell which columns exist on this model without going into my schema. Inside of the schema file, I can see all of the different columns that are on the accounts, but it's much easier if I have a comment at the top of the file that has all those names. Thankfully, Annotate can do that for us automatically. So I'm going to say bundle add annotate and put it in the development group. Then I can say Rails G annotate :install, and that will install the rake task that we want to run every single time we annotate or every single time that we migrate our database. But at this point, we can run bundle exec annotate -- models. And this will annotate our models. So now if we open up the account model, we can see that at the very top, there is this big long comment that includes a whole bunch of schema information that can be very handy. If we're working with the account, now we know that it has a payouts enabled and a charges enabled column on the database. If I were to generate a new model with Rails G model thing, and if it maybe has a name, as soon as I migrate the database with Rails DB migrate, that is going to automatically annotate this new thing because I have that rake task enabled. So if I open up thing, it already has the schema information at the top, including the columns that were just migrated. So Annotate is a very powerful gem, super handy. I use this in all of my Rails applications. So that wraps up the quick Annotate demo, and we should be using Annotate from now on. All right, thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.